So welcome back to my next video. Again I have brought two questions from the same question paper which came on 21st May 2022. Okay, so let us solve. So these are for your general information which I have already explained in my video earlier. So once again I am not going to explain all those things. These are the syllabus which will be coming in the exam, and certainly I want to acknowledge, because the question paper which I have used here, that I have downloaded from www.winmin.com. So I express my sincere thanks to them, as I have used their question paper. So these question papers are actually actual question paper, it is there. So the same question paper is being used to solve the questions. Now two questions I have already solved earlier, and let us solve these two questions again. Now this is actually logical reasoning also and mathematics also, both are involved in this particular question. So now we are already given that if multiplication means division, minus means multiplication, and division means plus, and plus means minus, means we have to replace with those signs, then what is the value of this expression? So the expression given is 3 minus 15 divided by 19 and in bracket then into 8 plus 6. So this is the expression given expression. Now as per the requirement of the question, we need to replace. See, there is no replacement of this bracket. Here we are going to use BODMAS rule. BODMAS. What is called BODMAS rule? If there is a bracket, then we have to use it first. So this rule in mathematics, it makes us to solve or simplification. This is a question from simplification. So bracket, if it is there, it has to be solved in order, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Subtraction comes at the last. Okay, now we will be replacing. So there is no replacement of bracket, so bracket will be as it is. Now 3 will be written as it is, then minus. So what is there for minus? Minus means multiplication, so multiplication 15. Division means, so division means plus, so plus 19. Now this bracket, let me bring it closer. Now into, multiplication means division, so here it will become division, and then plus means minus, so minus 6. Now this is the rearranged expression as per the question, and now we have to solve this expression only. So now in this case, bracket is there, so that bracket part we need to solve first. In that bracket, multiplication is there, so that multiplication part we need to solve first. So it will become 45 plus 19 divided by 8 minus 6. We will not solve others now. Now 45 plus 19. So 45 from 45, if we are giving 1 to 19, it is becoming 20. So it is becoming 44 and it is becoming 20. These all things we can put it in our mind, or we can simply write also. So the sum has become 64. It will become easy to solve. In place of what we are doing, 9 plus 5 14, and then 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, like this generally we do. But when we are solving in any competitive examination, we need to be little faster in multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. So there are also some tricks which we will be utilizing and I will tell to the students also. So 64 divided by 8 minus 6. So bracket part is already over, completed. Now 64 divided by 8 has to be solved first. So we know that this will give us 8 and then minus 6. Further we will subtract and we will get 2. So our answer is 2. Okay. I hope that everybody has understood. Fine. So very easy questions are there. Now next question. Which number replaces the question mark for the following numbers? So here the question mark is there and we need to replace with these questions, these answer statements. So now let us see, first have a glance on the question part. So when we see this, generally what we do, we try to establish a relation between 2 and 7, and then we try to establish a relation between 7 and 17, and similarly we are searching that whether the same relation is working or not between these numbers. It is a general procedure in reasoning, general procedure. We used to do it. But here it is something different. I know that most of us will be solving in that way, will be trying to put the relation between them. But when we see that it is in sequence, prime numbers are written. Prime numbers. So the very first thing, have a glance that actually which type of numbers it is. Whether the numbers are mixed numbers or whether the numbers are only odd numbers, whether the numbers are, we can say that prime numbers. So here what we have seen that all these numbers started from 2 are prime numbers, and in sequence it is like 2, 3, 5. So our movement is like this. Again our movement will be like this. Our movement is from top to bottom. So generally what we are doing, we are solving the question row wise. As I told that we want to put a relation between 2 and 7 and 7 and 17. So row wise we are going generally. But here we need to go column wise. So that we have to see. So 2, 3, 5. Then after that 7 is the prime number. Then 11 is the prime number. 13 is the prime number. Fine. Then after 13, 14, 15, 16 are not prime numbers. 17 is the prime number. Then 19 is the prime number, and after 19, 20, 21, 22 are not prime numbers. So here certainly 23 will come, and that's why this 23 will be the correct answer. So like this logic we need to apply. We will be able to do certainly when we will solve more number of questions, and that's what I recommend each and every one, that we should solve more number of questions. Previous year's question papers, if we are solving more and more, confidence will come certainly, and it will take less time for solving questions in the examination. So I finished my 2 questions. I told that I will not be going more than 2 questions in a single video. Hardly in my last video I will be taking 3 questions. Okay. Because total 25 questions are there, so 3 questions I will take in my last video. But up till here, 11 video, 22 questions, 2 questions I will be making it. So once again, I am telling you that please subscribe to my channel, and if you have liked it, please like and share with your friends. It should reach to most of the persons, those who are not able to afford higher fee and all. So at least they should get benefited. Thank you very much.